Hey my YouTubers, sorry it's been a long time since I made a video. So today here I have a Kirby Centria 2 vacuum. It's a 2013 model vacuum. They are a good vacuum. I would purchase one of these if you are not have stairs in your elderly. I purchased this for $1,300. Now you can negotiate going down on the prices. So the things I like about the Kirby Centria 2 is it's a very strong vacuum and it's powerful. What I mean about powerful is there's 100 PSI, I think, in the whole machine. It's a great machine. I love them. My family loves them. I also have the Avalier. That's a 2017 model. That one works good. Also, there was some changes on the Avalier versus the Centria 2. Now, there's a Kirby Centria 1 that I like too. I also have, but it works good. So, always like, subscribe, and be back for more videos.